Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it's going to be a 3-part vlog, 3-day vlog. Because I'm at the Lemmy Cake Studio, I'm here for an upgrade class, and here is my teacher. Look at her. Look at the way she's dazzling. Oh my god. Yeah, dazzling. So I'm going to take you through my 3-day journey here. Snippets here and there, like a vlog shop. See you around. Okay, so for me, it was at first. It's not like it's not something I've not been doing. So when did you get back? So it's not like it's I like to try things. So it's something I've tried on my own, and I did briefly well, even though it's not really. I know it's not. I wasn't really confident. So I came here at first of all to get that confidence, to be sure that I'm doing something right. Number 2 is things are changing, and the kind of audience I want to attract are the people that would want this kind of cakes. So I have to fine-tune my skill to get those people to pay the money. So those are 2 reasons why. Hey guys, it's the end of day 1. No, we are not finished. Yeah, I'm done. Say hello to my camera. Hi, beautiful people. What's your name?
My name is Danny.
And? No. Carry on. Creative director.
Creative director.
Yes.
No.
Oh, yeah?
Let's go now.
Privilege owner. It's a area.
Privilege owner of Zamsa Cakes.
Okay.
I'm also working at Zamsa Cakes. I came for class like this, and Mr. Saki pay for me. I don't get money.
Okay.
So I'm just privileged to get.
So I met Dami here. She likes me so much. She had to take her chair all the way from that place.
I don't sit down with them.
Come and sit
not on my charging, not because of anything.
You broke my heart.
Don't really have to do that.
That's true. So it's the end of day 1, and I made this. You guys see. It's so pretty.
It's not pretty, I'm saying I'm done with
Oh my god. It's so pretty. I'm very, very tired.
It's not pretty, I'm saying I'm done with
I'm happy I did this. I'll be heading home now. I'll see you on day 2. Day 2. Wait to dry this now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of my class. I told you I will take you along on this journey. No, I don't think this lady, she loves me so much. She's always in my video.
Yesterday.
She's always in my video.
Yes, because no, why not?
You like it?
Yeah, you become used to sensational.
Yes. So we've done a lot. Hey teacher, say hi to my camera.
Oh my God! Look at her! Look at her!
Please share your skincare routine. Water. Hey guys, it's the end of day 2. Today I'm terribly tired.
Exactly. I think what everyone is saying, like,
Very, very tired and hungry. I'll see you on day 3. What's the time now? It's almost 9 p.m.
That's 20 to 9.
It's almost 9 and I'm just heading back home. Not home actually. I want to stay with you. Yeah. Just heading back home now. I'm so tired. Chef Dami.
Yes.
Please say hello to my camera.
Hello.
Chef Dami in the building. Baked by Rem. Hello. Chef Tilda. Hi.
Then the food is
Teacher. Teacher. Then another Chef Dami.
then the foodie.
I'm always making something.
I'm not
Yes,
actually,
you will.
I'm not part. So
And this is more of
more of Mukepe.
more of Lagos. No.
He's not of Ibadan. Dami of Ibadan, Dami of Lagos.
Class was interesting with you guys. Thank you. Why do you want to do turn?
Me,
Tell us.
Tommy.
So you say you want to do something?
No, gym money.
Oh, gym. You're not up for surgery.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of recovery.
The biggest one.
Recovery is difficult. It's not straightforward like this. It's expensive and you have to do what they call it all the time.
Yeah.
Lymphatic drainage.
Yeah.
You don't do lymphatic drainage, massage.
Yeah. To go to recovery.
Until wait. Because I want to please someone.
I don't hear you.
One man that I met.
This lady must have gone through a lot of this comedian.
No, she did gastric bypass. Because you know gastric bypass, yes, the short term effects, but the long term effect. Most of them they always have into session.
And that thing is bad though.
They always have gastric issues.
So they play all the content creators that you go to the gym after the gym, but you don't the gym.
Yes.
So I covered my 2 cakes. Look at how slim this cake looks. They look so pretty. Watch out for the final product. everyone. So this is almost midnight and the last day of class. I have to just pass the night here because we finished late and I couldn't go home. I still have some few people here. Even our teacher is still here. Teacher. And I'm going to show you the finished products right about now. Let's go. This is my cake. And that's it. Bye. 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 Bye.